Hello everyone, I'm Chudi by name. I'm a forex and crypto trader and trainer based in Port Harcourt, Nigeria. I run private online and offline training for individuals who are interested in becoming a successful trader within a short period. The online class is a live class where I will be on my system here in Port Harcourt and you on your system any part of the world. We both hear and talk to ourselves. You ask questions and so on. While the offline is for anyone that is in Port Harcourt City, Nigeria. So, in this clip, I will be sharing with you the content and what my training looks like. And my training is just 1 week. No stories. I go straight to the point. And at the end of the 1 week, practice what I have taught you for 1 month. You will be able to make successful trades. Quickly, the content of my training covers forex trading. What is forex trading? Trading sections, major currencies, currency pairs. We also look at major and minor currency pairs. Then we'll look at their characteristics, making decisions on pairs in the market. We'll look at the bid, the ask, and spread. We'll also look at pips, quantity and trade capacity. We look at margin trading, leverage, equity, and lots more. Also, I'll take you through market analysis, technical analysis. We'll look at support and resistance zone in detail, concept of retracement and breakout, order placement, market structure. We looked at candlesticks, market patterns, divergence, and Fibonacci. At the end of all this, I will be taking it's more or less a theory and a practical session. Because as I take you through all of this content I've just made mention of, I will show you practical on the raw forex market, how they played out and how they played out successfully. Then I will now take you to a powerful indicator software which I will be showing you right now. Okay, now this is the software. Now this software is installed inside MT5. Now in this software right now, I'll be showing you how efficient this indicator can be by showing you just 2 lines, which irrespective of whatever commodities you desire to trade in the forex market, it will produce positive results. So are you a currency pair trader? Are you a good trader? Volatility, boom and crash, all form of synthetic stock, whatsoever you like trading. All I will be unveiling to you in my training with this software indicator works perfectly well on all commodities. So in this short clip, I will prove to you right now how these two dotted lines, I will only be talking about these two dotted lines, the pink and the blue dotted lines. And I will be showing you right now how it can work perfectly well on different commodity. And I would like to begin with my favorite commodity, Boom 1000 index. Boom 1000 index. Now quickly, this is on 5 minutes time frame. This is on 5 minutes time frame. Let's look at today, 7th of November 2024. Let's look at all that went out today. Okay, let's begin from this point. Now, whenever these two dotted lines intersect at a level like this above, having put other factors into consideration here, it will sell. At that point, you are going to experience a sell trend. Just like you can see here now, it intersected here above, and you can see here at that same point where it intersected, you will also see this pink ring will appear. Now, at that point, it's going to sell, just like you are seeing here now. On this Boom 1000, if you are using one lot size that requires a margin of $32, each 1 minute is $1. In every one successful minute you sell, it's $1 profit. So if I look at this now, this is about this is okay, this is about how many pips is this one? Okay, this is about 69 pips, which means that from this point down here, if you sell it, you have made about $69. Okay, now let's proceed. This is today's trade we are looking at. Now, if you wait for it, you have to be patient. Wait for it for the two dotted lines to intersect again above. At this point, having put other factors into consideration, there's a factor you need to put into consideration here in order not to start this trade at this point, rather at this point. Now, but even as that, if you start the trade at this point, you find out that you still experience a sell trend. You can see it. Now, this is like 5 minutes time frame. You can imagine how far this is. From this point to this point is about 71 pips, which is $71 with one lot size. That requires a margin level of $32 to take it. Okay, now let's proceed. Now you also wait for it again. Allow it to set. Allow it to intersect above. You can see the two dotted line again have intersected at this level above. And you can see the sell trend. You can see how long it sold. Can you see it? This is 5 minutes time frame. If you check this, this is no more than about 90 to 100 pips, which is about $90 to $100. Now you also go again and wait for it. Mind you, at the same point, when these two dotted lines also intersect, below, it indicates a buy trend. And you can see here below, you can see how far it went. Now, these spikes you are seeing here, each of them is not less than $60. It's not less than 60 pips. Look at it. This is about 67 pips. Okay, so you can imagine how much profit this would have given you before it gets up there. Now, but let's proceed. Let us not get distracted. Now, you can still see again the two dotted lines have intersected here at this level. And look at another sell trend. You can see it. So on and on like that. That is it for Bumwataza. Quickly, without wasting much time, let's go to AUD and USD. This is currency pair. For currency pair, you can see it here. When they intersect, look at it sell. And when they intersect below, look at the buy trend. You can see it. Look at it when they intersect below. Look at the buy trend. All these are all today on AUD USD. Look at it when they intersect below. Look at the buy trend. All these are today, 7th of November 2024. You can see them again when they intersect here. Look at the buy trend. Can you see it? So it also works on currency pair. Now let's look at volatility. This is volatility. You can see it on volatility here. Look at they have intersected below at this point. Look at the buy trend. You can see it. Let's proceed. Look at it as it's intersected again below. Look at the buy trend on volatility. All these are today, for today, 7th of November. Now, when they intersect above, all you just need is wait for the condition to sell or to buy be met. Look at it as intersected above, and you can see the sell trend here. And if you go further, look at them, they have intersected again here below. Okay, look at the buy trend. You can see it. And if you keep going on and on, you will see it. Look at it. It has intersected below. Look at the buy trend. This is on volatility. Okay. So whatsoever commodity you are trading, it applies to it and it works perfectly well. Now let's look at it on gold. This is gold on 5 minutes time frame for today, 7th of November. Now look at it. They've intersected below here. This is gold now. You can see the buy trend on gold. This is 5 minutes time frame on gold. Can you see it? The almighty gold that every trader is dying for. Okay. Now, if you also move, look at it. They have intersected below. Look at the buy trend. This is good for today. Now, look at it. They've intersected below here. Look at the trend. The buy trend. This is 5 minutes time frame for gold today, 7th of November. You can see the date. You can see the time here below. Can you see it? Just simply because they intersected below. All you just need is just patience. Wait for the diving in time. The time for you to dive in, and you just dive into the market for either a buy or for a sell. Okay. Now this is it on 5 minutes time frame. They've intersected above, and you can see the sell trend down. You can see this is the sell trend. Look at it below. You can see the buy trend. So let me not take much of time. I don't want this video to be too long. You have seen it in different commodities that it actually works. That's to tell you how efficient this software is. By the time I take you around all this and explain so many things here to you, you emerge a successful trader at the end of my 1 week training. So if you are interested in my training, simply call or chat me up on 081 3717 5618. Now, at this point, let me also show you on gold what happened yesterday on the 6th of November. Now on gold, yesterday, 6th of is it 6th or 5th of November, due to the election, there was a drastic drawdown on gold that actually hit many traders. Now I want to quickly show you how it played out here on this software indicator. So in the early hours of on the 6th of November, due to the US election, the effect took place at the early hours of on the 6th, where there was a drastic drawdown of a sell trend, which we are seeing right now. But from this indicator, if you have knowledge about this indicator and you're using it, there's no way that could have caught up with you. Now look at it. This is on 5-minute time frame. At this point, you can see that the two dotted lines have intersected here above. You can see it. Now, this tells you the sell trend have begun at this point. So there's no way I can be buying at this point. No way I can be buying at this point. Now, if I am selling at this point, when there was a drastic drawdown, you see that it will definitely place me on huge profit. But at this point, on the raw forex market, it actually showed many traders as if it's going to buy. But all of a sudden, there was a drastic drawdown. So you find out that from this indicator, early enough, it has shown that something is happening somewhere before there was now this drastic drawdown. Okay. Now, apart from this, let me take you to 4 hours on this day to see that there's no way you are supposed to be on a buy. Look at what happened on 4 hours time frame. On the 6th of that end of November, look at what 4 hours was saying. This is early hours of on the 6th. You can see it down below at 00 hours. You can see it. At 00 hours, the 4 hours have already started a sell. And you can see the two lines here. You can see the two lines here have intersected, indicating a sell. So all through on the 6th, there had been sell on gold up to on the 7th, 00 hours of on the 7th, which means that all throughout on the 6th, gold was on sale. Okay, so this is what actually happened. Now, this software is not a robot. This software is not a robot. It's an indicator. The difference between a robot and indicator is this. A robot is a program system, not reliable cause the market behavior is not constant. Once the market behavior changes, the robot becomes useless. But an indicator follows the market changes. As the market changes its behavior, the indicator also changes and follows the market. So with your understanding of this indicator, you can actually place trades like a robot known as swing trading. So if you are interested in my training, kindly call or WhatsApp me on 08137175618. Finally, the requirements of my training are: 1. You must have a laptop because this software is a computer-based software. 2. You must get the software installed on your laptop. Then 3. The training fee. Once these 3 requirements are met, you are on your way to becoming a successful trader. Once again, call me or WhatsApp me on 081 3717 5618. Thank you for watching. See you.